In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the browsing history in Microsoft Edge. Whether you've accidentally closed a tab or simply want to revisit a page you enjoyed earlier, knowing how to access your browsing history can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Edge browser. If you've been exploring the web or working on various tasks, this is where all the magic happens. With Edge already open or once you've launched it, let's move on to discovering how you can peek into your web history. Now there are two convenient methods to access the history pane in Microsoft Edge. The first method involves using the menu. You'll need to locate the Settings and More button, which is represented by three small dots. This is typically found in the top right corner of your browser window. Give it a click and a drop down menu will appear. From this list, select History. This option takes you directly to a detailed view of your previous web activities. For those who prefer a more rapid approach, there's an even quicker way: keyboard shortcuts. Simply press Ctrl and H simultaneously on your keyboard, and just like that, the history pane opens up for you. This can be a real time saver, especially if you are someone who enjoys efficiency. Once the history pane is open, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the sites and pages you've visited recently. The entries are neatly organised by date and time, offering a seamless way to backtrack and find that one resource or article you thought you'd never need again. This feature can be particularly useful if you're conducting research or want to maintain continuity in your browsing sessions. Explore the pages, reminisce your past clicks, and even find tabs you might have closed too soon. It's all there for you to rediscover. With these simple steps, accessing your browsing history in Microsoft Edge can be both straightforward and efficient. This convenient list allows you to manage and revisit your browsing steps effortlessly, ensuring you never lose track of important information or memorable websites. Whether you choose to use the menu navigation or the keyboard shortcut, you now have the tools you need to effortlessly access your browsing past in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating the digital world with ease. Happy browsing!